Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Kumali. Today's question of the day series question number 18. Which state has passed a bill to raise reservations in the state to 76%? Options: Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Kerala. The Chhattisgarh Assembly unanimously passed two amendment bills to raise reservations in government jobs and admission in educational institutions to 76%. According to the bills, scheduled tribes will now get a quota of 32%, other backward classes will get 27%, and scheduled caste will get 13%, while the economically weaker section EWS will get 4% reservation in public employment and admissions in educational institutions. So the right answer for the question is option C, Chhattisgarh. In the state of Chhattisgarh, this bill was passed to raise the reservations to 76%. And here is another question for you. Which Indian state hosts the Silchar-Sylhet Festival or Sylhet-Silchar Festival? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down, and if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such current affairs, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali and do not forget to check out the community post.